All right, so we have this question. We want to solve question on this normal distribution. So they said the thickness of bolts manufactured in the workshop of Agric and Environmental Engineering departments follows a normal distribution with a mean of 10 and standard deviation of 1.6. Let's write out the parameter. Solution. So from this question, we have the mean of 10 millimeter and a standard deviation of what? 1.6 millimeter, right? Now, they said that the workshop supervisor becomes concerned about the manufacturing process of the thickness begin to get larger than 10.8 meter or smaller than 9.2 meter. Assume that the current manufacturing process mean is 10 millimeter, this is our mean, and consider a random selected bolt. Find dash the probability that the thickness of the bolt is between this and this. That is, you are asked to find something like this. The probability that the thickness is between that 9.2 less than x less than 10.8 millimeter. This is what you are asked to find. Okay. Now, don't forget, the first thing is that we will try to standardize these two values. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay, remember, to standardize our value, what do? We say, okay, Z equal to what? X minus mu over standard deviation. Standardize. Are we together?
Yes.
Now we say when our X is equal to, now what we are asked to find is this probability 6.2 less than x less than 10.8. Good. So let's go. When s equal to 6.2, what do we have? Z equal to what? Here, 6.2 minus what? 10 divided by 1.6. What would this one give us? Is a calculator?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please.
6.2 minus 10. That is minus 2.4.
Minus 2 point what?
4 minus 2.4.
Okay, that's minus 2.4. This is what we have. Okay, when s is what? 10.8, we have z equal to 10.8 minus 10 divided by 1.6. 10.8 minus 10 divided by 1.6. What will this give us?
0.5.
0.5. So it means that this probability, after we have standardized these values, we got something like this. Minus 2.4 less than x less than 10.8, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So what do we now do from here? Now, pay attention. Remember, how do we find something like this? Probability of minus 2.4 less than, oh, sorry, this one is not z, the x again. This is now z. Don't forget that I have standardized this value. So I will not write x again. I'll be writing z. Are we together?
Yes, yes.
So less than z, less than, and again, sorry, I'll be changing these values. Sorry, let me change these values. I'll be changing these values. What I have here is now probability of minus 2.4 less than z less than 0.5. So after standardizing this value, this is what I have. So how do I now evaluate probability of minus 2.4 less than z less than 0.5? Now pay attention. This is the same thing as probability of what? Z less than 0.5 minus probability of what? Z less than plus 2.4. Okay?
Yes.
So probability of this less than this minus probability of this less than this. Okay. But if you observe, you will see that we don't have negative number if you check that table. Are we together?
Yes.
So what do you think you are going to do? Is very easy. Now pay attention. If I say probability of z less than minus, this one that you are looking at here is the same thing as, let's say, probability of z greater than a. This property, this is one of the property of the normal distribution because of it has this property of symmetry. So this is equal to this. So it means that I can write this in a probability of z less than 0.5 minus probability of what? Z greater than 2.4. Are we together?
Yes.
And don't forget, this is saying that probability of z less than 0.5 minus, you see this one, we can't get greater than, remember that our normal distribution table, the left part was shaded. We can only get something of less than. Do you remember? Let me show
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Let me show you the table. Come and check our table here, Uncle. Check our table here. You will see that the left part was shaded, which means that you can only get less than. You can only get less than from the table. So this will be what? This is defined as 1 minus
1
probability of
minus probability of z less than
less than
2.4.
2.4. Are we together?
Yes.
Good.
100%.
Let me do so. Yeah, let's go. Let us now find this.
So the probability of z less
What
than
do you have?
probability of z less than 0.5. I think that's
Wait, let us look at our table together.
0.6915.
Z less than or 0.5. Probability of Z 0.5. What's our 0.5? What do you have? 0.6915. I mean
0.6915. Yes.
0.6915 minus, what do you have? 1 minus. What probability of Z less than? Is that not 2.4?
Yes. 2.4.
Yeah, what do we have? This 2.4. You have 0.9918. I mean,
Yes.
so that thing gave you 2.4, not 2.4 something.
It gives me 2.38 something.
What do you have? 2 point what? Say
Okay,
that.
let me confirm it. Let me confirm it again.
Okay, I'm confirming.
2 minus 10 over 1.6. So it gives me 2.375.
2.375. Good. Let me write it that way.
Okay.
0.375. That's minus 2.375.
Yes. Minus 2.375.
So minus 2.375 minus 2.375 minus 2.375. Exactly. So what's probability of Z? So let us check our table. 2.375. So 2.3 is here. I mean now
Yes.
0.9893. So write it down. Wait, hold on. 2.375. So I can approximate that to 2.38. I mean now.
Yes. 2.38.
And I
Yes.
take 2.3 under 0.08. So 2.3 under 0. So 2.3. I'm coming. Let me highlight that part. 2.3 under 0.08. So this is our answer. 0.9913. Are you there?
Yes.
0.9913. So that one makes sense like that. 0.991. Good. Oh yeah. What do you now have?
So the answer will be 0.6915 minus probably 1 minus 0.913.
Everything.
Okay, everything are we?
Yes, everything is good. Yeah.
So everything, the answer is 0.6828.
6 what?
6828.
C828. So these are our final answer. So that's how to solve that question. So the next one under that question, they said that the probability that the thickness of the boot is smaller than 9.2. So I have to find probability that the thickness of the boot is smaller than 9.2. 9.8, Abby? Let me see. Probability that the thickness of the boot is smaller than what? 9.2. Abby? Should be 9.2 that is there. Am I
Yes,
sure?
9.2.
Wait, let me cross check again. Yeah, 9.2. Yes, 9.2. 9.2 we have been using 9.2, 9.2, yeah. 9.2. Wait, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Shebi, this is 9.2. Why are we now using 6.2 here?
So actually, I actually thought of this too, that was happening, but I
You should
felt
have. I'm coming.
let's just change the question to 6.2 like that.
So you already know exactly. To 6.2. Yes. That's it. That's 6.2. So let us just go and go with that. 6.2. Yeah, 6.2. Let us go there. So the next one is a find probability that was equal to smaller than 9.2. Abina.
Yes.
Then let us just take that system.
Everything
Everything
to
like
6.2.
9.2. Yes.
Yes.
6.2. Yeah. 6.2. Okay, let's go. So what do we now have? So number, just solve it exactly the same way you get your answer. So x less than 6.2. So it's saying that probability of what? Z less than what? So yeah, what's that 6.2? What is it?
So I'm
What's that?
with you. I'm with you.
What's that 6.2 in the standard form that we converted? The
Okay, 6.2 the standard form.
Minus 2.4. Abina.
Yes, no, minus 2.38.
Okay, minus yes, 2.3.
2.38.
This one is saying as what? Probability of what? Z greater than 2.3.
2.38.
So at this what? 1 minus probability of what? Z less than 2.38. So let's go. What does this one give us? What that 2.38?
0.9913.
So what's our final answer? Are you sure? Yeah.
Yes. 0.88. 0.0087. 0.00.
0.00.
Yes, 87.
87. So that's for that. So the last one, they said that we should find the probability that the thickness of the bow is greater than 10.8. So probability that it is greater than 10.8. This is in a probability of Z greater than that 10.8 in the standard form. That gives us what? 0.5, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. The probability of what? Greater than minus probability
1
of
minus probability of less than 0.5.
So what do you have? 1 minus what?
0.6915.
What's probability of Z less than 0.5? What do you have?
0.6915.
So 0.6915. 1 minus this, what do you have?
0.3085.
So that's for us. So that's the question. So look at this another question again. Question 2. We have something like this, that assume a normal distribution assume a normal distribution with population mean (0.6), variance is equals to 4. Find probability that 4 is less than x less than 6.5. This first question. And second question, we should find the probability that 6.5 is less than x less than 8. Solution. Let's go. So looking at this one now, the first thing is that write out what you have. They gave you your mean to be equal to 6. This variance, to find our standard deviation, what do we do? Standard deviation is square root of variance. Have you now?
Yes.
And that's square root of 4, which is 2. So let's standardize. Z equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. So when x is equal to 4, for this first one, when x equal to 4, your z is equals to 4 minus 6 divided by 2. This will give me what? Minus 1. Abina? And when x is equal to 6.5, this will give me z equal to 6.5 minus 6 divided by 2. So what is 0.5 divided by 2? 0.5 divided by 2. That goes
0.25.
0.25, yes. So it means that if you are asked to find the probability that 4 less than x less than 6.5, it's the same thing. And the same probability of what? Minus 1
Minus 1
less
less than z
less than
less than 0.25.
0.25. Good. Now let's go. So probability of minus 1 less than z less than 0.25. What would that give? Listen now. Probability of a z less than 0.25 minus probability of a
Minus
z less than
z
minus
less
1.
than minus 1.
So let me simplify all this. This is now this is probability of what? Z greater than
Z
1.
greater than 1.
So that's probability of z less than 0.25 minus this is what? 1 minus probability
Probability
of z
yes.
less than 1. Yeah, let's go. So probability of z less than 0.25. Checking our table, 0.2 under 5. Zero 0.2 under 5. What would that give us? 0.5987, right? 0.5987. We have 0.5987 minus, yeah, I have 1 minus probability of z less than 1. Probability of z less than what? 1. What do we have? 0.8413.
8413.
Yeah, 0.8413. So let's go. What do we now have? Hello? Hello? Oh, kitchen. I'm coming. Give me some second. When I got phone. Okay, so what's our final answer? What's our final answer?
I'm coming, so I'm about to do it. 1 minus 0.88. This is 8413, right? 0.5987 minus answer. So the answer is 0.44. Final answer. Final answer.
What did this one give you? Okay, everything final answer. Right?
Yes, final answer everything.
So
0.44.
0.44.
Yes. Yes.
So that's it. So the next one is about this. So it's the same way you will solve it, Sha. You can just practice this one. It's the same way you will solve it. And that's it. So we can end today's class, Gary.
Absolutely. I'll go and start solving for sure because we did
Yes,
class today. So if I
just
don't
practice.
understand it, I'll send it to you.
Yes, no other. So our next class will be on CHE. And we are going to series solution to differential equation by Frobenius method and so on like that. But before that, I will explain some transform for you. That will be later.
All right. So there's no problem, sir.
Our next class. Okay, now. Bye. Take care.
All right. Thank you. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.